Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make your Facebook account more secure. Please follow my instructions carefully to ensure the best protection for your account. First, open the Facebook application on your device. Look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon to open the menu. Scroll down and select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, you might see a section called Meta Account Center or something labeled Privacy or Settings and Privacy, depending on your app version. I select Meta Account Center from there. Locate the Privacy Settings or Password and Security section. Under the Password and Security section, you will find several options to enhance your account security. Start with Change Password. Create a strong and unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using passwords you have used elsewhere. Next, enable two-factor authentication. When this is turned on, anyone trying to log into your account will need a verification code sent to your device or app. This adds an extra layer of security. Enable it, follow the steps to set up a code generator or receive a text-based code. If someone tries to log in, you will receive a notification asking for your permission. Without your approval, no one can access your account. After that, check the Saved Login section. This shows devices where your account is already logged in. Review these and remove access from any devices you do not recognize. Turn on Facebook Protect if it is available. This feature offers additional security measures and is especially helpful for sensitive accounts. Use the Security Checkup feature to review where your account is logged in. This will show all devices currently accessing your account. Log out of any unfamiliar or unnecessary devices. Enable email notifications under the Login Alerts section. This ensures you receive an email whenever someone attempts to access your account, whether successful or not. Check your recent emails from Facebook to verify legitimate communication. This section will show you emails sent by Facebook regarding your account activity. Lastly, turn on the option to display warnings for potentially dangerous or deceptive websites. This is under the Browsing section. If you try to navigate to an unsafe website through Facebook, you will receive a warning to prevent accidental exposure to harmful content. By following these steps, you can make your Facebook account significantly more secure and protect it from unauthorized access. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.